class 10th, chapter 5, quadratic equation. Good morning, student. Now we have finished two chapters, banking as well as the inequality. Students, if you have any problem last two chapters, then you please write to us and we will solve the problem to you. And today we just move the new chapter. This is a very important question, not difficult, not easy. Quadratic equation of class 10th. Quadratic equation. This chapter is based on the daily life problem in word problem form. So first we discuss what is the quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. Because quadratic, and before the quadratic equation and quadratic polynomial, we go what is quadratic. Quadratic means quadratic. Quadri means two. Quadri means two. Quadratic. The general the general form of quadratic polynomial or quadratic algebraic expression is AH square plus BX plus C, where A cannot be 0. Be sure A cannot be 0 and A, B, C are real numbers. Clear? First, I am not talking about the equation. I am talking about the quadratic polynomial, quadratic algebraic expression. Quadratic polynomial means a polynomial having maximum power. Power means degree, or exponent is only 2, right? Is only 2. So where A cannot be 0, question arises, sir, what effect of A if A is 0? Very simple, students. When A means what? The coefficient of highest power, that is 2 here, will not be 0. If it is 0, it means if the coefficient of variable having highest power here 2 is 0, then meaningless. Then this is not a quadratic, I am telling you. If suppose A 0, then what do you got? Bx plus C. This is quadratic. No. 0 into x square plus this is cancelled. So Bx plus C. Student, what do you got? This is linear. Linear. I am not talking equation or algebraic expression. This is linear expression. So question can be formed. Polynomial can be formed in any other variable like A y square. by plus C, no problem. We can write, we can take any variable, not a matter. In different group and different writer, different mathematician use different type of variable as well as constant. But to go to the definition, what is definition of the quadratic polynomial? Quadratic means coefficient of the variable having 2 power must not be 0. It should be mentioned clearly. BC can be 0, no problem. Sometimes it can be written like this, AX square plus 0 plus 0. But anybody ask, what is this? Simple, you will say, sir, this is quadratic polynomial. Okay? So make sure you write the quadratic. You have clarified the quadratic. Now we just move to our concept. Today's topic, that is what? Quadratic equation. We shall just switch. So let us move to the quadratic equation. Any equation should have the 0, should have equal sign, not a 0. Every equation means equal sign will be present. So here we see, I am talking about, this is what? Quadratic polynomial. it has two zeros. Zero means x have two answer. When we solve this, when we factorize this, we got the two value of x which satisfied the given polynomial. But student, I am not talking about the polynomial here. Our topic is quadratic equation. So just we start the quadratic equation. Minor difference between the quadratic equation and quadratic polynomial. I hope bit difference is clear to you. So students, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic means the variable having maximum power 2. Power means degree. Degree means exponent. Same meaning. This is the general form. The GENE general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a cannot be 0 and a comma b comma c are real numbers. Students, please, when anybody asks you, please can you tell me the definition of quadratic equation? Many times I have seen some teacher also, they define them. Please remove the mistake. Try to understand the thing given in the books given by the good mathematician. Please follow it. This is what form can be any, variable can be used anything, by z and whatever, not issue. But main definition what ax is general equation naturally is used by mathematician. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a cannot 0. It is important. This is important means is what? Coefficient of highest power, that is variable, is 2. Highest power variables, that is 2, cannot be 0 means x square coefficient cannot be 0 here. Then it satisfies the definition of quadratic equation. Quadratic means 2. What is meaning of 2? 2 means after solving the quadratic equation, we got the two values of x. What is the meaning of two values of x? Two values of x means the answer. Answer means where the values we got after the getting the solve this question. These value will satisfy. What is the meaning of satisfy? Suppose we got 2 or 3 in any quadratic equation. 2 or 3, when we put in the given quadratic equation, this must be equal to the right hand side. It means they satisfy the answer. It means these are the solution. What is the solution? Solution means in students answer of the variable which is used in any type of equation. So clear? Question in paper can be asked by different way. Solve the quadratic equation, find the value of x, check these the solution are of the given equation or not. A different way can be used in the question, so don't bother about it. Please careful about it. Now, definition of the quadratic equation is clear. After the definition, students, solution. For the solution, we use the roots. Roots is a general word used by the mathematician in maximum book in place of the answer, in place of the solution. These are the values of x here. These are the values of variable. So generally roots are used simple alpha and beta. Means this is x equal to alpha and another value x equal to beta. Alpha can be any numerical value, it may be negative, it may be positive, it may be decimal, not a issue, it may be fraction, it may be real number. I have already clarified A, B, C are the real. Now, today in this lecture, we will clarify whole concept related to quadratic equation. We will not discuss any question. Okay, so please be attentive. Now, what is the nature of quadratic equation? Nature of quadratic equation. What is the meaning of nature? My nature, your nature. With the help of nature, you can take some idea about the personality, about the person, what type of that person is there. So simply same way is applied here. Nature. What type of nature? B mean nature of the quadratic equation means there are different type of nature. So before go to the nature, we have to study some mathematical word like the discriminant. Discriminant is D is the first letter. So discriminant generally used by the D. D means D equal to B square minus 4AC. This is the discriminant. It tells us what is the nature of the quadratic equation. Clear? D. Directly we use the D. We use B square minus 4AC. Not a problem. Not a problem. So nature of the given quadratic equation can be mentioned using the D. Some teacher, if D, clear, if D equal to 0 or B square minus 4AC equal to 0, same meaning, then I am talking about the nature means variables nature, quadratic equations nature means root x or y. These are the solution. So then the roots means value of x and y. Roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Real means can be negative, can be positive, but make sure cannot be complex. Real, clear, equal means value of x. We got 2 here because quadratic equation we got the same value. We will discuss in the question when we are taking example. 2. If D greater 0 or we can write B square minus 4AC greater 0, then roots of quadratic equation I write short are real and distinct. Distinct means unequal or different. Okay, means value of x will be different, not both the same value. Question 3. If D less than 0 or B square minus 4AC less than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation will be not real. Not real means imaginary. I am talking imaginary. Okay. So we will not discuss anymore regarding when the roots are imaginary. Okay. This is what we have studied. The nature. About the nature, this question we will exercise. We will discuss the exercise 5.2 or 5.3. But today in this lecture we are clarifying the concept behind it. Okay. Sometime if D greater or equal to 0, then what type of nature? Simply you will say roots are real. Real because greater means alag, equal, so cannot possible different or equal cannot. So just use the simple word real. Roots are real. This is what general form or standard form is the same meaning. Student general form is ax square plus bx square plus c equal to 0. So please learn it. And now method to solve the linear equation. Method to solve the linear equation. Students, we have 3 methods to solve the linear quadratic equation. First one is the prime factorization method, as you have studied the factor in class 9. Number 1, factorization method to solve the quadratic equation, quadratic equation. Number 1, factorization method. Factorization method. Second is Sridhar method, or generally it is known as formula method. And third is complete whole square method. In your syllabus only 2 methods are there. Sridhar, student, this formula method is given by the great mathematician Sridhar. So for the respect of him, mathematician use the special name, that is what the Sridhar method. When we will use this method, suppose I am taking the question. First I am taking the one example, how to solve the, for example, x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, we will discuss. Just you please tell me, this given question is quadratic equation or not? Anybody can tell me? Is this question is quadratic equation or not? Answer is no, because in quadratic equation you know the definition. It should be equal. So here is no equal. Student, this is not a quadratic equation. This is quadratic polynomial. Now if we write here equal sign, only equal sign, after equal sign, right hand side must be 0, must be any number. After any number you can transpose it. Finally you will get the solve it. So this is what? This is the quadratic equation. Now my question is factorization method. So simple, do the factor. 6. Do the factor of 6, get 5. 6 means 2 into 3. X square plus simple method. 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 0 in place of 5. Now x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Make sure without the previous knowledge of factorization you feel difficulty. So please, if any problem regarding the factorization, please revise them and you can do. X square. Now take the common. X is here. X plus 2. Now what is common? Plus 3. So x plus 2. Again you will see the common, x plus 2 and x plus 3. This is what? 0. So put x plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0. This is what? X equal to minus 2. This is what? X equal to minus 3. Student, when I told you these are the solutions, these are the roots, means I have already mentioned alpha and beta. So student, this is the value of alpha, these are root. You can write beta. So you got how many answer of x? We got 2. It is the meaning of the quadratic equation. We got the 2 solutions. We get the 2 answer. These 2 values of x will satisfy the given quadratic equation. Satisfies means you got the right hand side equal. Keep the value of x for satisfaction. Minus 2 square, that is what? 4. Plus 5 2, that is what? Minus 10 or plus 6. 6 plus 10 minus 10 equal to 0. Equal to 0. This is what? 0 equal to 0. So this is the what? The value of x is satisfied the given equation. In this lecture we will clarify this one, and next video we will do some question for you. This is for today.